Hello and welcome to Lesson 4. This lesson introduces you to Ansible Tower, the web-based Ansible management platform. I will first explain what Ansible Tower is and how it relates to Ansible Automation Platform in AWX, after which you will learn how to set up Tower based on the free version that you can get from developers.redhat.com. Once you have it up and running, I'll explain the main Tower components and actually learn how to manage assets using Ansible Tower. And at the end of this lesson also you'll find the lab as well as the lab solution.